In this video, we will explain how to use the control panel in the Xbench.net site. The control panel feature, which can be found in this tab on Xbench.net, lets you manage authorized users and delegates in a simple interface. We have created several sample users for this demo. John Moneybags, for instance, is the user who is purchasing the Xbench license. In this case, he has purchased 3 subscription years. He will receive a notification email requesting him to sign up from the Xbench application or from the control panel on the Xbench.net site. The used credentials will be the same in both locations. Let's see how John signs up from the control panel. He clicks on the link to create an account. Then he will receive an email to verify the sign-up process. Once verified, he will be able to go to the sign-in. John can be a user authorized to use Xbench or just stay as the payer or license owner. In this case, he can remove himself from the list of users by clicking on this X button on the right-hand side. This placeholder indicates that you must define at least one authorized user for your account. Now he can add other authorized users. By doing that, the purchase subscription time will be redistributed accordingly. For example, let's add Vicky Translator as the first Xbench user. She will have the whole amount of subscription time. If another user is added, for instance Poll Manager, the subscription time will be distributed accordingly, in this case split in 2. So, for 2 authorized users, we will have half the total time, and for 3 authorized users, 1/3, and so on. See what happens when adding some more users, like Ursula Übersetzer and Charles Reviewer. Remember to click always on the Submit Changes button for the changes to take effect. If you change the number of authorized users, the end of subscription time is recalculated after you click Submit Changes. If John decides to remove any user, the remaining users will benefit from the remaining subscription time, as you can see. So, no subscription time is lost when removing users. It is reallocated as when adding users. John can also name delegates for his account. These delegates can manage the authorized users and delegates in the control panel on his behalf. For instance, he can name Poll Manager as his delegate. He will have to go to the Delegates tab and specify his email address, and then click on Submit Changes. Only the main account and the delegates can actually enter the control panel. In the Orders tab, the main user or his delegates can see the order details. The Billing Details tab can also be accessed and modified by the main user or his delegates. These billing details will be used next time AppSec needs to issue an invoice for the account. Finally, sign out when you are done by clicking on this button. That's all, thanks.